That concludes our meetup. Guys, we do them all the time. We're doing them all over the country. If you're a public adjuster, contractor, attorney, or anybody in the insurance claims business, come out to the meetups and talk shop. It's a great opportunity to mingle with other professionals and really just get a great idea of just the bond that we all have, because together we're stronger. Together we're stronger against fighting the insurance company, so we can bond together and get what we can to basically reward the policyholder with everything they need. So come on to the next meetup.
It's awesome to see the face in real life and to see that he's actually doing what he's saying.
And it was great. Free drinks, lots of food. Thank you so much, Vince. Have a good one.
Look at this. Just take a quick look. If you just go ahead and grab this, you see that right there? People, that's called energy, elevating the industry. My boy, Vince Perri, you know where it's at.